How to fix PON light blinking for your Converge modem. So this usually means the fiber connection is unstable or not properly receiving signal. So the passive optical network light should normally be solid green. So here's a few options you can try to solve this problem. So first of all, you can restart your modem. One of the most basic things you can try is to turn off your Converge modem and unplug it from the power outlet. You can wait at least 2 to 3 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Give it 5 to 10 minutes to fully reconnect, since sometimes the blinking PON light fixes itself after a proper reboot. You can also check the fiber cables. So inspect the thin fiber optic cables connected to the modem. Make sure it's firmly plugged in and not bent or twisted or damaged. Also, don't sharply bend the fiber cable, as this can block the signal in some reason. And if you recently moved the modem, you can double check the connection if that's the case. You can also look at the LOS light. So while the PON is blinking, this usually means there's a line issue outside your home. This could be a damaged fiber line, a loose connection at the NAP box, or an area outage. In that case, you're just gonna go ahead and wait that out. You can also check for the area outage that we just mentioned. You can ask other people that's using Converge around the neighborhood or around your area. You can take a look at their website if that's the reason, if they're experiencing the same issue. So if multiple homes are affected, it's likely a service outage and you'll need to wait for restoration. And finally, you can always contact Converge support. So if the PON light continues blinking after doing these options, you can try contacting Converge ICT Solution Support. So there you can provide your account number and explain that this is happening. So a technician may need to check the external fiber line or reconfigure your connection remotely. But those are a few basic things you can check out if you're having this problem for your Converge modem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.